If you can sit and watch paint dry for an hour straight, then I know you're going to be successful. Let me explain. We were never meant to have instant fun. Humans have always been creatures that are hardworking, and that trait is why we survive so long. Anyone that is successful that you see around is obviously going to be happy because they've reached their goals. Now, obviously, to get there, you're going to have to do things that are very hard, boring, and repetitive. It will mean to have a lot less instant fun, like playing video games or going out with your friends or just anything in general that makes you happy in the moment. Which is why a lot of people cope by not doing it, saying, "Oh, it's too hard. This is gonna make me sad. I don't see any future in this." But what I want you to know from this is that if you just sat down and did the goals, your future self would give you a pat on the back. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be boring. Whatever you're doing, whatever you're trying to achieve, whether it's going to the gym or starting a business, whether it's just school, whatever it may be, if you keep at it, you will make progress. Also, speaking from personal experience, when you do start making progress from doing whatever you want to do, then it starts to feel fun. It starts to feel like a game, like you're leveling up. Like the game I'm playing right now, Minecraft. It's like when you mine diamonds for the first time and make a diamond pick. Next time you choose to skip the gym and watch television, for example, I want you to force yourself to do the boring task instead. Like possibly sending emails, possibly doing your homework, possibly whatever it may be. And the way you do this is by changing your focus and your mentality about thinking for the future and not the present moment. What in the future will make me happy? What in the future will be fun? Because acting on your impulses right now that's caused by casual boredom will lead you nowhere in life. I'm telling you, just listen to me. I can tell this by personal experience. Your actions should not be dictated by what you want right now. It should be dictated for what you want for yourself in the future. And it shouldn't be by how you feel. An example in my own life I can give is how at one point I wanted to get jacked and super fit. So I started the gym, started tracking my macros, started doing my dieting, like I mentioned in the last video. But eventually I started slacking off, thinking, this is so boring, bro. What am I doing? Why am I doing all this? And acted on impulses for skipping the gym. What did that leave me with? What did that do for me? Well, it left me with 6 months of completely wasted time where no progress was made towards any goal, let alone that one. With me coping the whole time saying, just another rest day. I'll go tomorrow. I'll start tomorrow. I'll do this tomorrow. It was only when I started taking accountability for my actions and took on the challenge of being bored every single day for a couple hours, which again, it's now super fun for me and is one of my favorite parts of the day, is when I started making incredible progress and saw a serious improvement 6 months down the line. If you want to get there eventually, you need to be good at getting bored for days, months, weeks, maybe even years until your repetitive goal is achieved. Because that's better than letting your life rot away and waste away, chasing instant gratification, pleasure, and instant fun instead.